Kaswabe, this is a very limited G-Wagon. It is the G800 Widestar Brabus. Ang kanyang cost ay umaabot ng 30 million plus and here in the Philippines, as from the owner, mga 2 o 3 lang ang units na ganito. You have a carbon fiber hood scoop pero non-functional with the Brabus logo. Powered by a 4.0 twin-turbo V8 that gives 1,000 Newton-meter of torque 0 to 100 is 4.1 seconds. Carbon fiber na LED beam lights, kasabayan ng pag-flash ng ating high beam. You have an extension of nasa 4 inches para ma-accommodate niya yung napakalaking gulong natin. 295, 30 ang sidewall and 24-inch ang diameter. 10-spoke forged alloy wheels, ventilated na napakalaking rotor disc at Brabus specific